Your business is constantly changing, so your cloud consumption needs to change with it. Otherwise, in growth scenarios, you might under-resource and have poor customer performance due to overutilized compute instances. In shrinking scenarios, you might over-resource, paying for unused compute instances. Also, as you grow, you might find your needs for availability change, depending on meeting customer quality of service expectations. For instance, some new instances might need to be made redundant, so an outage in a particular zone does not bring down your whole application. On the other hand, other instances might be fine left alone, as standalone instances, as might be the case with development environments. In addition, changes in the external environment may create new needs on the security front. New cyber attacks may create changes needed in your security plan. To make matters worse, you are pressed for time, and therefore you often need to operate first and improve later. Even worse, you don't have time and resources to devote to trying to figure out what you're currently using, so you can attempt to figure out what you need to improve. The cloud baseline view is the starting point to discover what and how much you use, meaning your assets. You can see how much you pay for what you're using, meaning your spend, and you'll be aware of any risks you may be exposed to by relying on the utility. For example, availability or fault tolerance risks, performance or utilization risks, and security. Once your usage baseline is captured and is visible, Newvem begins to help you identify the next phase, the cycle of continuous refinement. There are two approaches for the cycles of continuous refinement, the tactical and the strategic one. The tactical approach is usage out. You capture current usage status, you identify and plan refinement areas, you measure usage, you analyze usage, you improve your usage, and then you plan the next cycle of continuous refinement. The strategic approach is about business alignment, the alignment of business objectives with infrastructure usage. This process of analyzing your usage, making changes to improve it, and adjust your usage to your business needs is what we call cycles of continuous refinement.